In the intricate world of semiconductor design, where precision meets innovation, a transformative force is reshaping the landscape: artificial intelligence. AI-powered electronic design automation, or AI-EDA, is not just a tool. It is a revolution promising to redefine what one can achieve in semiconductor design and beyond. As the semiconductor industry delves into AI-EDA, let us uncover a synergy where artificial intelligence meets electronic design, automating processes that once consumed vast amounts of time and human effort. Integrating AI into EDA tools is more than an upgrade. It reimagines how semiconductor designs are conceived, tested, and brought to life. At its heart, AI-EDA harnesses the power of machine learning to sift through complex data, learning from past designs to predict outcomes and optimize future projects. It is a world where algorithms can identify potential design flaws before they become costly mistakes, and where predictive modeling offers a glimpse into the performance of circuits that have yet to leave the drawing board. The advent of AI-EDA brings forth a myriad of benefits. Efficiency skyrockets as AI heavily lifts routine tasks, allowing designers to focus on innovation. Accuracy improves as the system learns from every project, reducing errors and enhancing the quality of the final product. And most compellingly, the cost of design and manufacturing sees a significant reduction, as AI-optimized methods require fewer revisions and less physical testing. Yet, the journey towards fully integrating AI into EDA has its challenges. Protecting sensitive data is a paramount concern, with the industry grappling with how to harness the power of AI while safeguarding intellectual property. Moreover, the complexity of melding AI with existing EDA tools poses significant technical challenges, demanding a new breed of expertise at the intersection of semiconductor design and artificial intelligence. As the semiconductor industry peers into the future, the potential of AI-EDA seems boundless. One can anticipate tools that not only suggest design optimizations but also adapt to the unique needs of each project, offering bespoke solutions that push the boundaries of innovation. Collaboration between design teams will become more seamless as AI bridges the gaps between different stages of the design process, fostering an environment where creativity and technology go hand in hand. In conclusion, AI-powered EDA stands at the forefront of a new era in semiconductor design. It promises a future where methods are more efficient, errors get caught before they happen, and innovation is encouraged and accelerated. As the semiconductor industry stands on the brink of this new horizon, one thing is clear: the integration of AI into EDA is not just transforming how one can design semiconductors, it's redefining the possibilities of technology itself. As the semiconductor industry embraces the possibilities of AI-EDA, everyone is invited to imagine a world where technology and creativity converge to create the unimaginable. The journey is just beginning, and the future of semiconductor design is brighter than ever.